Hello, welcome to 105 at LCCC with Jay Brewer. That's me. I just wanted to take a quick minute and introduce myself to everybody. I went to Penn State and got my bachelor's in psychology, and then I, did a little bit of that, and then I decided that I really enjoy teaching math. So I have my master's in applied mathematics. I've been teaching at LCCC for a year. I really enjoy everything I do. I love teaching. I also tutor for LCCC as well as for Sylvan, and I just picked up teaching a class over at Northampton Community College. So I basically have 4 jobs, but I make sure that I keep a planner, so that helps me stay pretty organized. And I just wanted to kind of show you our course for a minute. Of course, we're in the dashboard, which you guys should be using pretty frequently with your other courses at this point. Our course is going to look a little bit different from the student side than from the teacher side. For instance, you won't see any of this stuff here with the eyeballs crossed out because I'm choosing not to show it to you. Here is where you will find the majority of your information. I highly suggest you print out the chapter comprehensive notes. That's pretty much where you're going to get the bulk of your information from me. On occasion, I will also go through some of the PowerPoint slides, but for the most part, I do the comprehensive notes. The exam is paper. I'm not choosing to proctor your exam. We can talk a little bit more about that on day 1. As you can see here, I teach through modules. Module 1 is chapters 1, 2, and 3. I teach module 1 extremely fast, whether it's a shortened class or not. You guys are a shortened class, so we don't have a choice. I pretty much teach 1 chapter a week. That's just how I work things. The most important part of Canvas for you is this Pearson My Lab. You're going to click into it, and then you'll click into Open My Lab and Mastering. I would say the bulk of the issue that we run into online is a lot of students who have taken 105 in the past, and you may hear this from some of your peers, is that the homework and the quizzes don't matter that much, so you don't even have to worry about getting into the Pearson. That's false. Number 1, the homework and quizzes do matter. You can try to pass the class with only taking exams. You might get A's on all of your exams, and then you're probably maybe going to pass the class with a D. I mean, I don't know about you, but if you're going to get A's on the exam, I think you would want A's in the class. That being said, I am pretty flexible and I'm pretty lenient. Although with a shortened class, we have to be extremely aware of due dates and the end date. So you don't have a lot of time, which means you're not going to be able to just push things constantly. You can email me, of course, if you need me to reopen something, but you're just not going to have a lot of time to play catch up. The only really built-in time to play catch-up is going to be Thanksgiving break, and I assume most of you will want to spend that time with your family. I imagine most of you aren't really getting to spend too much time in large crowds. So with that being said, if you need anything or if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be emailing out my syllabus to you. And again, I'm so excited to have you in class and so excited to go ahead and get this course started. And that's about it. That's me in a nutshell. I will see you all on October 15th for the first live Zoom class. And you can ask me a whole bunch of questions and then we'll get started into chapter 1. All right. See you guys.